kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to teach you math subject. In the last video I taught you counting in tens. It is 50s, 60s and 70s. And in this video I will teach you the remaining tens. It means the 80s, the 90s and the 100. Okay? Shall I start? Okay then. Let's see. The 80s. This is a number line, and on the number line these are the numbers from 79 to 89, and these all numbers are the 80s because in number 81 8 number is on 10 place. Okay, so 8 tens means yes, it is 80. So all these numbers are the 80th series. Let's see example. I write down 3 number on the ones box and 8 number on the tens box. So what is the number become? कुठला number बनला आहे तो? 83. This is the 80s because on the tens place 8 number is present. Then next is the 90s. आता 90s मध्ये आपल्याला काय दिलेले आहे? This is a number line, and on the number line there are some numbers from 89 to 99. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. These all are 90. And आपण यांना 90s का म्हणतो? कारण in this number the 10 on the tens place 9 number is present, and 9 tens means 90. आपण हे शिकलेलो आहोत की 9 tens mean 90. Let's see one example. I write down 6 number on the ones place box and 9 number on the tens place box. So which number becomes कुठला number झालेला आहे तो? 96. It means 9 tens and 6 ones becomes number 96. And the last is the 100. 100 आपण कसं राईट डाऊन करू शकतो? 9 tens and 10 ones becomes 100. कारण कसं 9 tens means 90 and 10 ones means 10. आपण काय करणार आहोत? यांची ऍडिशन. सो 0 and 9 plus 1 equal to 10. It means 100. 9 tens and 10 ones becomes number 100. 100. In this way we have to count the 80s, the 90s and the 100. Okay, understand? Now see some examples from our math textbook. So open your math textbook, page number 91. The 80s. And question is, write the number 1 has been done for you. एक आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल पाहणे करून दाखवलेला काय आहे? 8 tens and 2 ones become number 82. Then 8 tens and 4 ones. We write down 4 on ones place and 8 on tens place. What number becomes? Number 84. And you solve these two remaining example. Okay. Then the 90s. Question is, write the number. 9 tens and 3 ones is number 93. Then second is 9 tens and 9 ones. We write down 9 on ones place and 9 on tens place. What number becomes? 99. And the 100. 9 tens and 10 ones is the same as 10 tens. आपण याला 10 tens means सुद्धा काय होतं? 100. 10 tens means 100. In this way we have to count in tens. It means the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, the 90s and 100. Okay, in this way we have to solve these examples. Then next question is fill in the missing numbers. Here we have give some circle here and you have to fill the missing number. So what the number? 50, 51. 51 after 52. 52 after 53. 53 after 54. In this way you have to write down the missing number in this circle from 5050 to 100 100. Understand? On the next page, number names. Read the number names aloud and write the numbers. Here we have given the number names. 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90 and 91 to 100. And you have to write down the number here. One has been done for you. आपल्याला एक करून दाखवलेलं 51. 51, 51. Then 52. Then in this row 61 एक आपल्याला करून दाखवलेला आहे 62. Write down 62 here. In this way you have to fill the 52, 53, 54 up to 60 and up to 70, 80, 90 and 100. In this way you have to write the number to the correct number name. Okay then, understand? So complete your work. Bye kids.